Hey builder, today's an incredible exciting day as we have the USA Gundam Store mystery box for May ready to unbox. Strap in because we're about to discover some Gundam goodness. Alright, let's dive in. Whoa, the first thing we have here are some resin detail parts. These are perfect for giving your gunpla a touch of extra detail. Next up, an Apex keychain, a new one for the collection. And would you look at this, the full-size sticker for a month. We've also got a sheet of grey Mecha decals. These decals will be useful on white parts. Whoa, this is an unexpected surprise. A red Astray swords weapon pack. And here's something every model builder needs, some angled tweezers. Precision and control are key when it comes to building, and these tweezers are just the tool for that. Last, but definitely not least, we've got a Jesta High Grade model kit. This kit is absolutely stunning, folks. With its amazing detail and solid design, it's the highlight of this month's box.